Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video, I'll be showing you a very quick, powerful volatility strategy that you can use to scalp this market. This strategy is very accurate, but you need to pay close attention to everything I say, and you should take notes so that you will avoid taking unnecessary trades. If you look carefully on my chart, this is the 15 minutes time frame and this is the volatility 10. So this strategy, you must only use it on the 15 minutes time frame, not the 1 minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame, only the 15 minutes time frame. So first, let's set up our chart. To do that, click on this indicator icon over here. As you can see, I have 4 indicators. I have moving average, I have the relative strength index, envelopes, and the second envelopes. To select the moving average, click on the F icon on the main chart and search for moving average. Make your period to be 35, shift to be 0, method to be exponential, apply to close. For the styles, make it color of your choice, PZ of your choice. After that, click on save. The second indicator is the relative strength index. Click on the F icon on the main chart again and search for relative strength index. Make your period to be 1, apply to close. For the levels, click on this pen icon, add level, type 32 and 68. For the styles, make it color of your choice, PZ of your choice. And for the styles over here, make it color of your choice, PZ of your choice. After that, you click on save. The next indicator is the envelopes. To select that, click on the F icon on the indicators Windows 1 and search for your envelopes. Make your period to be 1, shift to be 0, deviation to be 6, method smoothed, apply to close. For the styles, make it color of your choice. For the upper band, for the lower band, make it color of your choice. Then select pixels of your choice. After that, click on save. And for the last envelopes, click on the F icon on the indicators Windows 1 again and search for envelopes. Make the period to be 1, shift to be 0, deviation to be 0.008, method smoothed, apply to close. For the styles, make it color of your choice, pixel of your choice. After that, you click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart will look exactly as what you see over here. So make sure that the color of your indicators are clear on your chart so that you can easily see them. For the zoom level, you will zoom in completely, then you will zoom out just once. 1. So this is the best zoom level for this strategy. So this strategy, you can use it to sell, and then you can also use it to buy the market to the upside. So if you look at inside my RSI over here, I have the level 68 and the level 32, which act as a support and resistance level. So what we want to see is the break of this 68 level, market will retest, and then we will sell up to the 32 level. Don't worry, I will show you some examples. So let's say you want to sell this market to the downside. First thing you want to see is this market rallies to the upside, pushes this indicator, which is the envelope, into the upper band of these other envelopes. So once you have that, let me zoom in so that you can see carefully. So you have the touch here dropping to the downside. Then as it is dropping, you want to mark out your recent resistance level. You can see at this point, this is the resistance level. So as it breaks this level, you want to see the break of the moving average. So once it breaks this level, you can see that it also break this 68 level on the indicator. So once you have this break and you have the close below, you will enter your sell. Your stop loss can be above the moving average. You don't have to put your stop loss here because you don't expect markets to come to take out the moving average again. Then you will hold your trade until when it enters into the 32 level. So it will be around this point. Then you will close your trade. You will enter here, stop loss above here, then you close your trade. So this strategy is very accurate, that we have up to 95% win rate. And the good thing about it is that you are not emotional about the trade. You don't have to think too much. Everything you need to take the trade is on your chart. The chart will be the one telling you how you will enter the market and how you will close your profit. So this is another one at this point. This is a buy condition. So what do you want to see first? Market rallies to the downside, pushes this indicator. You can see the retest of the 32 level, breaks the retest, goes into the lower band of the first envelope. You see the touch over here. Then what do I say you will do next? You will draw out your recent support and resistance level. Is the break of the moving average. Then after that, you will see the break of the resistance level. So once you have the break, you will also see the break on the 32 level over here. So you can enter your buy immediately. Your stop loss will be below this moving average. You don't have to put it here. So you can see the market come retest that level. At the same time, you have a little retest over here. The market continues to rally to the upside until when it enters into the level, which should be around this point. So entry here, stop loss below here, then you will close your trade around this point. You can also wait until when it enters into the green bars, but I will advise you to just stick to the 68 level and be content with that. So let me show you one more example before we go to another market. You can see at this point, this is another sell condition. You have market rallies to the upside, touches the upper band, then you want to mark out your recent support level. You have it here. So you want to see market breaks the moving average, closing below the support level. So once you have the close, you enter your sell. Stop loss will be above that moving average. You don't have to put it here. The market continues to rise to the downside until when it enters into the 32 level, and you will close your trade completely. Entry here, stop loss above the moving average, then you close your trade around this point. So let's go to another market to let you know that it works perfectly in all the volatility index market. You can see the market rallies to the upside. Once you have the rally, touches the upper band of the envelopes, then you want to mark out your recent resistance level or support level, which should be here. You have the break of the 68 level. Market did not come to retest that level. It is still nice because we are applying this with the moving average. You see the break of this level and the moving average. So once you have the break over here, you can enter your sell, but you can put your stop loss above the resistance level. The reason to this is because the resistance level is above the moving average. The stop loss here, then you will hold your trade until when it enters into the 32 level, which should be around this point. You can see that this is around a 4-hour trade. Sometimes you can get a nice sweet trades like that. And this is the buy condition. This is why I like using the resistance level for my entries. So market rallies to the downside, pushes this moving average into the lower band. You can see this 32 level, but first you draw out our support and resistance level. See the market retest, retest, retest before you have the break. So once you have the break, you also have the break of the moving average. You enter your buy. Your stop loss will be below this resistance level. So here you are likely to get taken out because you can see that market wicks it before it rallies to the upside. So if you have the wick and then you have the close again, you can also enter. Your stop loss can now be below the moving average. Then it rallies to the upside. You can see this is a very nice setup, but it first wick your stop loss before you have the rally to the upside. So you can have a re-entry around that point. You can actually make more out of this strategy. All you just need to do is to do your top analysis up to the 1 hour time frame and use the 15 minutes time frame for your entry. Like I said, you can buy, you can also sell. So this strategy is not fixed to only buying or only selling. So after this, I want you to go back on your chart and backtest this strategy. Take your time, master it, then you can go on your demo account again and trade it in a live moving market. Then after that, you can decide whatever you want to do with the strategy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.